Well, we're back at it again here. I'm standing in front of 6605 Clara Street. This is a 3,050 square foot industrial building, which consists of two buildings. And we're going to do a quick little walkthrough so you guys can take a look at the site here. As we walk in, you do have your own private secured gate. Okay, so you have access to the property here. This is one structure. This structure on this side is about 2,000 square feet. That also has a garage attached to it. You have plenty of parking area, as you can see here. And this structure in the back is an additional, roughly about 1,000 square feet. And as you can see, pretty much ready for a variety of different uses. The power supply here, we're sitting at about 200 amps, 220 volts. So you got a quick glimpse of the site here. If you want a private tour, don't hesitate to reach out to us directly. We'll get you here, see if this is a good location for your business. And we are listed at about $1.70 a foot, which takes us at about $5,200 for the entire property, which consists of both buildings, and it is a secured gate, secured yard, so it's pretty private area here. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one, and talk soon.